Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So today I actually had a losing session, and much is because people start to bother me in my live session, and I don't feel I need to prove anything because I do this so often. I make videos, I make live streams, and if I need to be proving that I'm trading on real account, I push this, do this. If I start to do that in every single live sessions, I start to be, yeah, we lose time, we lose effort, we lose concentration, and I get bored about it. So in this, I will now take my time. I will show you that is real account and all this good stuff. But yeah, I got a losing session today. And for trading live for 1.5 year now, I have only had, now it's 10. And I get embarrassed when I get a losing session. Today we basically lost $341. We did not take that many trades. I will show you the trades we did do. But before I do that, okay, before I show you real account and all this bullshit people ask about, make sure you follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream I have, okay? Then also make sure you join me in Discord. In Discord, I will trade live every single Saturday. When I start to grow there and I get more people follow me in Discord, I will trade more often also in Discord, okay? And thirdly, make sure you sign up for this broker you have here right now. I will also show you now in this, I will show you the other broker I'm using, okay? So it's two brokers I'm using, and I will show that both of them are real accounts, okay? Because I get bothered by it, I get annoyed by this, and just to put a punctum, so we're done with this bullshit. Because it's taking away of my time. Maybe I would have turned a profit is this live stream if I did not need to prove and show all this bullshit they want me to do, okay? So, yeah, we lost, but by the way, we can collect our money up there. It's actually helping a little, because every time we're trading, we get a little cash back here. So let's push this button here, then we get $34. That means our minus for today is, oppa, 3 minus 341 plus 34. We are $307 we lost in this session. Super annoying, but nothing we can do. So I can also show you the trades we did take today. We basically take only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and we just won 2 of them. So terrible, terrible, terrible. Now, things that people all ask. Reload the screen. Okay, let's reload. Still real. Then let's move the mouse. They asked me to push up here. I did not do it because I get annoyed, but I will do it now. Just push here. Real account. You see? Here, open demo. I don't have demo. You can have up to 5 accounts actually. You can have different type of valuta if you want also. So you see I have 2. So here, real account. Okay. Reload again. This is what they asked me for, by the way. Push here. Real account. Okay. Let's do again. Reload. Push up here. Real account. Okay. Now let's do the same for pocket option. Let's log in with Google. Real account. Let's do a reload. Real account. Let's push here also if they want that. Here you see I have a demo on here. I don't have demo, but on this one I have a demo also that I have 939 demo money. In real I have 45,000, and I have a forex real account with 1,000. This one I just did put money, but I never use it. So here we can go to profile also, trading profile. Let's go there. Then you can see here is you see the trades I've done this month, and it says real account. So let's go back here, and let's do once again. People are bothering me, so I do it. I push here, real account, demo. Here I have a 939. Forex I have real $1,000, and in real quick real account I have 45,000. Let's go back here again. Let's push real account. Okay, can we be done with this now? Stop to bother me in my live streams, because in my live streams I try to keep concentration to do trades. I can't do in every live stream to try to convince people that I'm on a real account. Okay, so if you can be done with this now, yes, I will keep ban you in my live stream because I can't in every single live stream to have for these few people that want to come in to be a hater in my live stream. I can't be going in and be proving for every single person that come into the live stream, because this will take away from the time of my live stream to trade with people that actually want to take my trades and follow my trades. If you come in as a hater, yes, I will ban you, and I will ban you forever if you continue. Okay, so that's it for this, and someone will always be a hater. It's okay, but you're not welcome in my live stream. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'm sorry that you have a losing day today. I lose my concentration a little because I get so annoyed when people come into my live stream and I need to be proving things, and because that takes away from the short time you have to be trading, and I get annoyed. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day, and see you tomorrow.